Let's learn how to do such questions. Many students get these wrong, so let's learn it. In this video, we'll do question 1 to 5. You can pause and try yourself first. So for the first question here, this is a difference of squares. A squared number minus a squared number. When they ask you to factorize, this is what you do. It's the first number, a, minus the second, c, and then brackets the first plus the second, and that's it. You finish. So when you have a squared number minus a squared number, it's the first minus the second, the first plus the second. If we look at question 2, we can't say this is a squared number and this is a squared number. We can't say that. I will first take away 2 outside. If we take away 2, we'll have 9 here, x squared minus 1, right? Now, instead of 9, I would like to write 3 squared, because 9 is 3 squared. Now, it's going to be 2. This can be written like 3x all squared minus 1. Now, the 2 stays. If we look at this is a squared number minus a squared number, because 1 is 1 squared, isn't it? So how do we factorize? It's the first minus the second, the first plus the second. You finished. Now let's look at this. This looks easy. So y to the power 4 minus 16. What I can do here, I'll say y to the power 4 is y squared minus 16 is 4 squared. Now this is a difference of squares, isn't it? We can say it's the first one, which is y squared, minus the second one, which is 4, and the first one, y squared, plus the second one, which is 4. That's fantastic. But if we look at this one here, the first one, y squared minus 4 squared, the 4 can be written as 2 squared, isn't it? So the first one itself is the difference of squares. So what I will do here, I'll factorize the first one. The second one, we just keep it y squared plus 4. But the first one, we can say it's y minus 2 and y plus 2. And that's your final answer. You can't do anything to the y squared plus 4. Now, question 4. H squared minus p to the power 4. So this is h squared minus p squared squared. We open the brackets, and it's the first one, which is h, minus the second, which is p squared. The first one is h plus the second, which is p squared. You can't do anything. That's it. We finished. Now question 5 is yours. Please try it and comment your answer. And that's all.